Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a love read for you. Let's see how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings. Virgo will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. A warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And if you're new here, Virgo, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Virgo, as usual, setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your mutual energies, your action cards, dialogue cards, etc. And during the reading, I'll be referring as this side as person A and this side as person B. If this is your story, you'll immediately know which side you resonate best with, right? And overall energy is a passionate new beginning. Wow. Ace of Wands. So let's see what's going on here. So Virgo, let's see what's happening. Two of Swords for person A with the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody is making a decision. And on person B's end, there's been a lot of heartbreak, but is now releasing all this heartbreak, toxicity, whatever's happened. I think there is some forward movement coming. There is maybe an apology coming, which is kind of rectify some things which have gone wrong here. Let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, Virgo. Then I'll clarify all these cards. Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other. Okay. And let's take a few more from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Okay. Good to go, Virgo. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have here for you, Virgo, says, telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. You don't have to build an empire alone. Let me build one with you. I have a need to always be right. Sorry, I gave you such a hard time. I can see myself settling down with you, but not right now. Maybe that's what broke the other person's heart. I have a really hard time opening up my emotions to anyone. Yes, there could be somebody here who's been a little emotionally manipulative, a little closed off with their emotions, right? The King of Cups. I realize that you did not make me feel bad about myself. I did that. You changed up, and that triggers me. I want to reach out, but scared of what you might say now. You made me realize I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. Okay, so if these are resonating with your love story, Virgo, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, look deeper. Yes, Virgo, sometimes you feel nothing is happening, right? Just like this lake, it's so placid and so smooth and no movement, but actually down below in the water there's so much action which one can't see. There's a lot of life, there's a lot of sea life, plants growing, animals, fish, but you can't see all that. You can't see the ripples under the water. So what Spirit is saying, what you see it may not be nothing. You feel nothing is really moving at the moment, but there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Maybe in your person's life, you don't know about that. You don't know why they're behaving the way they're behaving, right? So look deeper. There is a deeper meaning to whatever's happening in your life. So what I'm going to do now, Virgo, I'm going to start with the energy of person A. This could be you. You could be on the other side. I don't know. I'm just going to concentrate and see what's going on in person A's life. Two of Swords, Spirit. Why are they in the Two of Swords energy? Two of Swords. Two of Swords. Why are they feeling the Two of Swords energy right now? Somebody wants to come out of the cold. Maybe they were pulled in two different directions at one point, and that's why now some bad memories have been created between the two of you, Virgo. They're realizing that they know that things have really effed up in this connection, but they don't want that anymore. They don't want to spend the rest of their life in regret and sorrow. They want to come out of this. They want to come out of this feeling of feeling regret and sorrow, and feeling bad that things haven't worked out, or you guys are kind of maybe in conflict now. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Why do they feel like that? Yes, all this juggling that this person's been doing, person A, maybe they've been undecided, maybe they were choosing between two options. Whatever they were doing, they don't want to do that anymore. They want to drop this juggling act, choose one path. See, they're seeing things from a higher perspective now. Yes, they're trying to see who makes me happy and who I want to work with, right? They are kind of choosing to go on the path that makes them the happiest. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for this person to feel this way? What happened in the recent past? The Lovers in reverse. Somebody made a decision. Oh, something went wrong with a very, very passionate relationship. Maybe somebody had to make a decision regarding a commitment, but they ended up behaving like a player, never committing, keeping things up in the air all the time, and because of this kind of behavior, probably lost the love of their life. They drained away their partner's love, and now there is no love being offered, and that's what's made them realize that I have to make a decision soon about this commitment, otherwise, I'm going to lose my person. They do want this equal partnership. They want this equal give and take. They want to come out and speak their truth now. They don't want to keep any secrets between the two of you. They want to now appear as the emperor who will take charge, who will take control of the situation. You could be dealing with an Aries, I don't know. But they want to now speak their truth because now they want things to start moving in the right direction. Okay, they don't want to keep any more secrets from their partner. So that's the reason now they are kind of making a decision to get themselves out of feeling always, in regret and sorrow and never taking action. So how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Page of Pentacles. They are sensing a bit of stagnancy in this connection now, I think, Virgo, person A. That they do want to have a stable new start once again. They're getting a little impatient here from what I see. They are realizing that they're going to lose their forever person if they don't get out of this mind, if they don't get out of this regret and sorrow and always, worrying and stress and whatever, they may just lose out on their person. They want this brand new beginning. They want this stability. They want to offer it. They want it with their partner. And they're realizing if they don't make a decision soon, they're going to lose their person. They know now what makes them happy. Nine of Cups. Why is the Nine of Cups here, Spirit? Why do they see this connection as the Nine of Cups? Nine of Cups. They've been thinking. They took some time out, I think, and whatever they realized, I think, made them feel very embarrassed and ashamed of their actions. Maybe they lied earlier. Maybe they didn't bring clarity to this connection. And now when they are sitting by themselves and reflecting on what they've done, it kind of makes them feel very bad about the way they've treated or behaved with their partner. They're a little ashamed of even facing them now, because now they see their partner as what they are. They've realized that this is my empress. This is the one who I want in my life. This is the one that can truly, truly make me happy. What action this person will take now, I'll open later, Virgo. Let's go on to the other side and see how the other person is feeling. Person B is feeling rather heartbroken. Why is that, Spirit? Why are they in the Three of Swords energy? Why are they feeling the Three of Swords energy? Lovers in reverse, same card. I think person B may have asked some direct questions at some time, and the answer which they probably got devastated them or hurt them, or they felt betrayed and actually made them really, really angry. So this person B, I think, is very upset and angry at the choice or decision made, and they are now thinking it's time for me to now release myself of this toxicity that I feel around this connection. Or is this relationship become that toxic that I need to now be over it? Yes, person B is not really taking action towards person A anymore. They're kind of holding themselves back because they feel this connection will never ever reach this Four of Wands. They're kind of giving up hope, right? What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Queen of Wands in reverse. They got upset because of something, and which was probably a rejection for commitment. Ten of Pentacles is in reverse. Maybe this person B wanted person A to put in some work. They were being strong, holding back, waiting for a very long time for person A to make some kind of a decision regarding commitment, and they felt, I'm putting in all the work. I'm doing all the effort in this connection, keeping strong, hoping and wishing that we'll be reunited soon. But my person has still not offered me anything kind of anything which is stable, and that started kind of really playing on person B's mind. They went into this self-imposed prison of their mind, thinking and overthinking and stressing, and finally I think they got a little frustrated and angry. How does person B now see this connection, Spirit? Person B, Page of Cups. Why does person B, okay, person B is kind of hoping for maybe an apology or a sorry from person A. They feel, I'm not accepting anything from you till you apologize to me. Maybe they've kind of turned their back on this connection, but somehow they are feeling a little rejected. They feel the person doesn't fight for this connection, emotionally is unavailable to them, is very selfish, maybe comes in once in a while with a small love offer here or there, but they never open up. They keep me emotionally stuck on them, and this has become like a burden to person B now. So let's see, person A, will you take any action? Person B is kind of losing hope in this connection now. Judgment in reverse. Why is the Judgment in reverse an action, Spirit, that the person A will take? Okay, one more. I think they're a bit scared. They may not get a second chance now, and they feel they've got some bad karma going, or they're scared of bad karma if they make any decision or make any choice. They're being very careful as to not make a very foolish mistake in their life here. But they do know who they want. They're no longer confused. They're out of their confusion, that's for sure. They know who they want. They've chosen their cup. They are making a decision now once and for all as to which direction they want to go. But right now I think they are a little scared of either getting bad karma or people judging them maybe. So they're trying to take the mid path, I think, here by keeping everybody satisfied, from what I feel. One more. This person is going through some bad karma here. Justice in reverse and Judgment in reverse together is somebody they're feeling like I am going through bad luck right now. As much as they want an equal partnership, as much as they want, to go back to person B, maybe they are not being able to. Let's see person B. Person B, will you take any action now? Eight of Swords. No, they're still in their self-imposed prison here. They don't see any action coming from person A. So what action will they take? They've anyways been doing all the work till now, and this is stressing person B out. I don't think. Why is that an action, Spirit? Eight of Swords. Person B is feeling maybe this heartbreak is too big now for to have any kind of rebirth. This is really playing on their mind. That this kind of heartbreak. What's this Judgment card, Spirit? Do they want a rebirth of this connection? I think person B somewhere still hopes that, one day we'll be back together, we will resurface. They're waiting for this conflict to kind of subside, I think, and hoping that one decision, one choice will be made soon. Somewhere I think person B is still hoping. Person A, will you take any action? Once again, I'm going to ask you. Person A does know what they want. Yeah, right now I think they also feel that things have kind of ended because of this conflict, but I think heart of hearts person A is hoping also the same thing, that soon there'll be a rebirth, because they see the person B as their soulmate. They see their person as the happily ever after. They want this with them big time. They want this transformation. They want this, to end the past and begin again. They do want it, but I think there's too much conflict going on, either in their own life, with their own, judgment and justice in reverse. There's they're going through some kind of bad karma here, and they're hoping that one day, I think both of you are waiting for the same thing, that once all this heartbreak is over, we may get a second chance again. Right now, feeling totally unloved because of all this fighting, conflict, whatever's happened. I don't think this week, but manifesting it, yes. Both of you are manifesting that sooner than later the conflict will end and we can move towards a happier times, keeping a watch on each other and hoping for the best. So yes, look deeper. Maybe at the surface things look like they're totally over, Virgo. Maybe your person is not, telling you what they want, what they don't want, but both of you, I think, are going through some kind of mental anguish here, or maybe changing the way you think, or deciding what is really valuable. So I guess time will tell. That's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.